Hello, let me show you how to solve this SAT math problem on the board in a few seconds. It says a bag contains tomatoes that are either green or red. The ratio of green tomatoes to red tomatoes is 4:3. When 5 green tomatoes and 5 red tomatoes are removed, the ratio becomes 3:2. How many red tomatoes were originally in the bag? The question says the ratio of green tomatoes to red tomatoes was originally 4:3. Before ever we can find the number of red tomatoes originally in the bag, we first need to find the total number of tomatoes in the bag originally. Let's represent that total number of tomatoes with the letter N. So N represents total number of tomatoes. With this now, we can say the number of green tomatoes will be 4, the number of its own ratio here, divided by the sum of the numbers in the ratio, that's 7, multiplied by the total number of tomatoes, that is N, and so this will be 4N over 7. Similarly, the number of red tomatoes will be 3N divided by 7. Now the question says when 5 green tomatoes and 5 red tomatoes were removed, the ratio becomes 3:2. What does that mean? For green, it means 4N over 7 minus 5. For red, it will mean 3N over 7 minus 5. The ratio is equivalent to fraction. What that means is that the fraction green over red will now be equal to 3/2. Now we can substitute the number of green and red tomatoes into this. So we have 4N over 7 minus 5 all over 3N over 7 minus 5 equals 3/2. We solve this for N. On the numerator, we'll have the LCM is 7. 7 into 7 is 1 times 4N. So we have 4N minus 7 into 1 is 7 times 5, 35. We do the same thing for the denominator. And so we'll have 3N minus 35 equals 3/2. This fraction is the same as saying 4N minus 35 over 7. Now when I change this division sign to multiplication, the fraction on the denominator will invert. So I'll have 7 divided by 3N minus 35 equals 3/2. 7 will factor out 7. So we are left with 4N minus 35 over 3N minus 35 equals 3/2. At this point, we cross multiply. So we are going to have 3 multiplied by 3N minus 35 equals 2 multiplied by 4N minus 35. We expand the bracket we have here. 9N minus 105 equals 8N minus 70. We collect like terms, so we have 9N minus 8N equals minus 70 plus 105. 9N minus 8N is N, so N is equal to 105 minus 70, 35. What this means is that there were originally 35 tomatoes in the bag. So this means there were 3 times 35 over 7 red tomatoes. 7 into 35 is 5. Therefore, there were 15 red tomatoes originally in the bag. Like, repost for others to get to see, comment under the video, but most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel at AHA Math with Sam for more. Thank you.